Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can farm Zora airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Zora has an overall valuation of more than 2 billion, and this valuation is a pretty decent valuation. So we can expect a decent airdrop on the Zora network similar to other L2s on Ethereum. Now, in order to farm this airdrop, you should have some Ethereum. Now, if you already have Ethereum on centralized exchange or wallets, then it's perfectly fine. If not, then you can buy Ethereum on Bybit. And if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, where it will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now, once you have an account set up on Bybit and if you have Ethereum, all you have to do is you need to set up a wallet. So you go ahead and set up a MetaMask wallet if you don't have one. Now once you set up a MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org and search for Zora. Now after doing this, you will need to add this chain to your MetaMask wallet. Now once you add this chain, all you have to do is basically you will need to bridge Ethereum to Zora network. And I will leave all these links in the description so that you can easily click on the links and complete all these steps in order to farm the Zora airdrop. So the official bridge for Zora is bridge.zora.energy over here. And you can go ahead and bridge some Ethereum around $100, you can say, to Zora network. Now if the gas fees is pretty high, you just wait for the gas fees to cool down a bit. Because to be honestly, the snapshot for Zora is not yet taken and there is still a chance to get a decent airdrop out of Zora. So once you click on bridge, it will take some time for the bridge to happen, and then the Ethereum would be reflected in your Zora chain. Now once you have the Ethereum, all you can do is you can go to zora.co, and here you can mint few NFTs for low price. So as you can see, whichever NFT you like, you can go ahead and mint this. And basically, in order to farm this airdrop, we need to show many transactions and build up a volume on the Zora network. So what you can do is maybe you can go to Bricks Mint over here, and maybe you can actually go ahead and mint few of these NFTs. So this will generate few traffic, and as you can see, the price of these NFTs are not much. It's like only 0.00018. So you can go ahead and mint few of these. Now the next step that you will need to do is you go to mint.fund over here, and in the chain select Zora chain, and you can basically go ahead and mint this partydao.mints, or maybe not confidential, or any other NFT that you like. So as you can see, in the last hour around 580 of these are minted. So you can go ahead and mint this for only 0.000777 ETH. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you go to zerosworld.x over here, and in the network I will go and select Zora, and I will go ahead and switch to Zora over here, and you can go ahead and mint few of these NFTs over here. Now if you have seen my previous video on farming different airdrops on L2s, then you should be aware of this. If not, then you can go ahead and farm these NFTs. So these NFTs are, I think so, these are free. Only you will need to pay a small gas fees. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to minter.merkle.com, and over here you will need to select the ONFT bridge, and basically you will need to mint an NFT from Zora to any other network. So it can be maybe Optimism, or you can select any other network. But go for the bigger ones. I would suggest is like Optimism, zkSync, or some other of that sort. So simply click on mint, and then basically you can mint that NFT from Zora to any other network. So they have this BNB network also. Now after this, what you have to do is you will need to deploy your token. So you can go for a basic contract where on Minter Merkle, and you can basically go ahead and deploy this contract for a coin on the Zora network. So once you deploy that, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and interact with that coin, and maybe you can mint some additional coins, and then you can go ahead and burn those. Now after this, the next step that you will like to do is you will need to go to Orbiter Finance over here, and you can bridge from Zora to different chains. So for example, if you want to bridge some ETH from Zora to maybe ZK Sync, you can go ahead and do it, or some other network. Like if you are active on Scroll or maybe ARB or maybe Linea, you can go ahead and do it, or maybe even Base. So simply click on send, and there would be some gas fees on Orbiter because Orbiter is a bit expensive. So once the gas fee settles down, if it's not expensive, then you can go ahead and complete the transaction. Now the last step that you would like to do is you will like to have a Zora mainnet domain name. So you can register a domain name over here. Now if you go for 3 to 4 character of domain name, then those would be expensive. Now if you go for a longer one, like anywhere between 18 to 8 to 11 characters, then you can mint it for, like, I think so this should be maximum 10 to $13 at max, but you can check the rate. I don't know the current rate for now. So you can go ahead and register this Zora mainnet domain name. So this is how you can go ahead and farm Zora airdrop. And if you want to go ahead and farm this, do it before they take a snapshot, because I think the snapshot should be for Zora also soon. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.